Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are live at Zero Degree Coder. From I was not active from last 1 week, so finally we are active on YouTube. And now in this session, like in this live stream, I'm gonna build something crazy and unique stuff. But before starting the session, let me do one thing. I'm gonna just share this link to my gang on the WhatsApp or maybe in another community. So let's me share the link so other people can jump up. And yeah, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something crazy today, and you guys gonna love that, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do, if you see the if you watching this live stream, and I think, okay, first of all, like how excited are you guys for this session? Let me know in the chat any questions, how it's going, how's your learning going, and what project are you guys building on. Let me know in the chat. Anyone? Nothing? All right, no problem. So if I talk about this session, like what we're gonna do, we're gonna use kind of mostly AI. So I'm gonna use DeepSeek AI for today. Also, nothing is that you guys have heard a lot about the Cursor tool and the DeepSeek AI, like building a full stack application with zero coding knowledge and using the DeepSeek. And another tool is called Cursor. So we're gonna learn that how to build these kind of applications. So in this session, what we're gonna do, let me quickly explain to you what we are going to do. And let me share my screen. And if you guys have any question, anything, just let me know in the chat. All right, let me know if my screen is visible to you, everyone. So this is the session you can see that build full stack AI background remover app. So I might sure like you guys had used this kind of app like to remove the background from the screen, and this is the app which we are going to build. Okay, so build this app, what we're gonna do, the first thing which we're gonna do, first we're gonna use the Expo. So I think you guys have been using Expo, right? So I'm gonna just hit Expo on the browser, and let's me hit go to the website of Expo and click on read the docs. Okay, now we're gonna copy this command. After that, let me open my terminal. Okay, in the terminal, I'm gonna go to the my, okay, let me zoom it. So I'm gonna just click on the down, I'm going to go into the downloads. Okay, go into the desktop, and inside the desktop we have called my directory, I think Alishan. Okay, let me do ls. So we're gonna go inside the others, my directory, and we're gonna go inside this directory, and here I'm gonna just hit my command. So we're gonna run this command npx create expo at the rate latest. So once I hit this command, it will ask me the app name. So you can see that I define my app name as a just my app for now. And once the project has been created, we're gonna run this app quickly. Okay, so let's get ready to run this project. So let's wait for a few minutes to run this project. So we're gonna use a very heavily called AI tools today for now, and which we're gonna use a DeepSeek because it's like kind of AI in the trends. So we're gonna, okay, it's not running it up, I think. Let me try again. So if okay, so let it be, and we're gonna let's wait for this. The project has been installing, and if you guys have any question in the chat, let me know how you guys how it's going and everything. Let me know in the chat, everyone. Any question, any doubt, anything, let me know in the chat. All right, so meanwhile our project has been installing. Okay, so I'm gonna open my app std, and app name is what, my app. So let's go inside my app, and I'm gonna open this inside the cursor. So I just type code space dot, so it will open my project in the cursor id. Okay, so as you can see that this is the folder, this is the project which I had just created using the npx, this command npx create expo at the rate latest. Now after this, let me open my terminal. So I'm gonna just open my terminal, new terminal. All right, and to run this project, I'm gonna hit npm start command. So I just run npm start command. It will start doing this, starting this project, and I'm gonna press the I to open in on iOS. So it will open my simulator. So it's gonna open my simulator. So let's wait for some seconds. But meanwhile, let's talk about this folder structures. What we have. So first, let's go to the package.json, Inside this package.json, we have some React vectors, icon, bottom tabs, native. This all the things which is coming up by default, a kind of boilerplate code. Okay. Now, to build this kind of apps, what we're gonna do first, we ask the user to upload the image. So if I open my Excel draw quickly here, and let me type this. So as you know that we are building AI background, AI background remover app, right? So what is the architecture gonna be look like of this app? So the architecture is gonna be simpler. So first, on the front end side, what we're gonna have on the front end side, we on the app side, we're gonna have one this button. This is a screen, and here we're gonna have a button like uh, upload image, upload, yeah, choose image, something like that. Okay, and once the user choose the image, okay, user will see the one image. So once the user will choose the image, user will see mobile code quick. Let me reopen. Okay, let me reopen this. All right. Okay, cool. Let's back here. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I think our simulator is running it up, and we got some error on the terminal. Simulator error, exit code. Okay, no problem. And let me open my. Let me make it a kind of another cursor, and let me move my simulator. Move some simulator here, and let me try again by pressing the A. Okay, I again. Let me try pressing the I again. Okay, this is coming this error domain, this could not be completed, domain error. All right, let's open the Expo Go again. And why this is not running it up? It should be iPhone 16 Pro opening. So let's wait. Meanwhile, okay. Meanwhile, let's talk about the architecture which I was focusing on. The user will choose the image. Like once the user will choose the image, he will able to see the image here. Okay, and once the user choose the image, he will able to see that, and after that he can click on done. So once he click on like remove bg, so it will make a one API call, make a one API call, API call to the image, like using this image, and we will get the new image. That's all. That's all right. Any question on this? Anyone in the chat, let me know. Does make sense to everyone? Does make sense to everyone? All right, all right, cool. So so why it's not running it up again? Let me try opening on iOS. It's installing this app, and let me make it simpler, easier, and let's our app get installed. So why I'm using, like you guys have been wondering, like why you're using Expo on this project? Because Expo is like really straightforward and it's become quite bit powerful. That's why we are using Expo. So first of all, we're gonna talk about let's talk about some apps which is doing same way. So I'm gonna search AI background remover app Figma UI, something like that. So let's see, like, do we have a something, some we can find some inspiration from there, so we can use that, so we can utilize that, something we can come up with something like that. So you can see this is the image and removable.ai. Let's check it out. Can we get some inspiration from here or not? Because I don't know, I'm not sure like how does gonna our app look like, and this is how we do. So let me open this and let me close this. Anyone in the chat? No question? Any question on the chat, guys? Any questions? How's going? How's the weekend going, guys? Okay, cool. I think we can find some apps for the inspiration, and let me play some Ghibli music as well. I love Ghibli music. So let me open the YouTube, and also we're gonna play some Ghibli. All right, so let's go back. Let's go back to the work. So we can think about something. AI image. Okay, remove a background, remove a app. Yeah, this looks good. Upload your image, remove background automatically. This could be a good inspiration. Hmm. Okay, let's do one thing. What do you think, guys? Let's do one thing like this. We're gonna just upload the image. We're gonna remove the background, and we're gonna focus the later UI in the part. Chat disconnected. Please wait while we try to reconnect with you. Nice. Thanks, man. Nice. Amir. Okay, cool. So let's see our app is running it up or not. All right. So our you can see that our app has been successfully running, and you can click on continue. Let me close it, and we are having a two tabs, home tabs, and this is explore tabs. So let's go to the app, and here inside the app we are having a layout, and inside this layout we are having the first stack is called tab screens. Okay, so we are be putting for tabs for now. Okay, and inside these tabs, let's go to the tabs layout. This is the tabs layout, and here we can see all these screens. Like the first is called home screen, another screen is called explore screen. So if I don't want explore screen, so I can just comment it out and it will get removed. Okay, that's totally up to me. All right, so if I reload this again, still I can see explore tab. So that's okay, no problem. Let's do one thing. Let's go to the home screen and let's start working on this. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna use the chat gpt for eventually. So hey, okay, I'm gonna use DeepSeek for now today. Hey man, I am building an AI bg remover app using React Native Expo. Okay, so you have to create a screen or write the complete flow. First of all, so we're gonna write all the flow from the chat gpt.ai. So how does gonna be look like? Okay, so I'm gonna write ai bg remover app. Okay, so okay, please okay, so let's write all the step. Please write all the features or user flow, a basic user flow for this app. Okay, so let's try with this. Okay, we can see that this is not working well. So let's go to the chat sheet. Please write the user flow for basic user of this app called AI BG Remover app using React Native Expo. Okay, so we're gonna write down all the steps. So the first is like we're gonna see the splash screen, onboarding screen, and upload screen, and after that this is all the features like steps which we're gonna use that. All right, so we're gonna do all the things. So let me copy this and let's do the all the things quickly. This is how you can use AI and the chat gpt and the cursor if you are building AI driven apps. No bundle URL present in React Native iOS. Getting this iOS but running fine. You will suggest anything? Not now, man. So I think you're gonna do some googling there, and after that you will find it out. Cool. So let's back to the work. Let's back to the work. Oh my god. I was thinking I'm sharing my screen, and when I was not sharing my screen from last few minutes, I'm too sad. I'm too bad, bro. Okay, now you guys can see me, right? Awesome. So you can see that first of all, what I had done, I had created one fresh Expo project using this command npx1. After this, you can see this is a project how it looks like, home screen and explore screen. All right, now after this we're going to use ChatGPT. Let's suppose I'm a non-coder person and can I build an app which I mentioned like AI background removal without having a 0 degree knowledge, like without having writing any line of code. And that is the agenda of this video. Okay, so let's go to the ChatGPT. Let's go to the ChatGPT. So this is the features which we're gonna implement this on our app. So let me open my notes and let me paste this all this feature. Okay, so first we're gonna show the splash screen. After this home screen, and so let's do this. First we're gonna show that. Okay, so we're gonna ask to ChatGPT this all the stuff. Okay, so we're gonna just paste this line. Okay, do in React Native Expo complete features for now. Make it beautiful and attractive and responsive and working and modern UI, make consistent themes. Okay, so we're gonna use this, like we're gonna design that a home screen. So let's see how we're gonna design this. So theme UI, so you can see this is the code written by the chat GPT. So you can see this is the function like theme using React Native Paper or Tailwind CSS, and he's going to use one package that is called Expo image speaker. So I'm not sure it's gonna really works or not. Let's see. And he was also using this Tailwind CSS. So let's try with Tailwind CSS as well. So first of all, we have to install Tailwind CSS, right? So we're gonna write Tailwind CSS React Native Expo. Okay, so let's click on this. So we have to do some configuration. So the following file will be modified Tailwind CSS config. There's all the stuff which we have to do, and all right, no problem. So we're gonna do this all this stuff. Uh, okay, let's tell to ChatGPT, don't use Tailwind, bro. Don't use Tailwind CSS for now. Let's go with style sheet. Let's try. Let's see what it's gonna do. So we're gonna use this Expo image speaker. So let's search about this image speaker. Use an image speaker. Let's click on this, and we have to install this package. So you can also use a watch if you wanted to use how to use an image speaker in the app tutorial. And but what are we gonna do? We're gonna just copy this command, and let's go back to the terminal of this simulator, and let me stop my server, and let me paste this command npx expo install expo image speaker. So it will gonna install this package. After this, okay, let me copy this command as well, home screen code. And okay, let's again start back our server, npm start. And what does this package we have to install? Okay, nothing's. That's all I think. All right, the next thing which we're gonna do, let's me run our app on Android. Okay, meanwhile, do you guys have any question on this? Any questions? Hi from Sri Lanka. Hey Charit, what's up, man? How is going? All good? Cool. Let's back to the topic here. And yeah, let me press iOS opening on. Okay, it's quite a bit open. Reloading this app. Now let me copy this whole code from the chat GPT, whatever he has written, copy and paste it here. Okay, so I think what they are doing here, export default home screen. So we have to use export default home screen, and we have been using it. You can see that we are getting this AI background remover. We can click on upload image and click on take photo. So it's working perfectly, and this is awesome, right? And another thing is that we have to wrap inside the safe area view. Safe area view from the React Native safe area. So let's try does this gonna really works or not. Safe area view, and let me reload this app. Style just container flex 1, padding is 16. Let me remove this padding. Okay, safe area view. Okay, let me remove the safe area from React Native, and we're gonna use safe area view from React Native safe area context. And let me reload this. Okay, it's not works. That sucks, bro. Let me tell, bro. Uh, it's breaking on the iOS iPhone 16 Pro Max. Can you use can you use what safety area something like that, and make it more attractive. Add some placeholder image as well, and make it cool and modern. Do it at least. Let's try. So we're gonna just keep the prompting on, and we're gonna try, like as you can see that our app is working, by the way. If I remove the safe area view, and If I apply this, apply some margin. Let's suppose if I apply margin vertical 16, maybe 40, maybe 144 now. You can see that we are having two options like upload image. So whenever we click on upload image, so you can see that this is opening this upload image as well. And if you click on tech photo, so it's not opening this stuff. Expo image dot media option has been deprecated, he's telling, and which is that's why it's coding the error. Like, but we are able to upload image. Like if you wanted to click on this, choose, and you can see that we are getting all the images, list of all the images. All right, so let's go ahead with this, and let's copy this code and let's try this code again. All right, this is looking quite bit good. Okay, now if I just reload this app, so here background remover, and we are having this safe area view, and which is coming from where? Safe area view coming from the React Native container, and we are having this. All right, this is looking good to go. All right, can't wait to see as good as you are. Can't wait to see me as good as you one day. Yeah, hey Alishan, hey, what's up? Can't wait to be as good. Okay. Oh yeah, man. But yeah, my like generally I'm not going to code today because I'm so exhausted. I was thinking, let my work do by the AI, and that's why I'm completely using AI for now, man. And let's check it out. Like it's gonna really works or not. Now, after this, let's suppose we have this placeholder image. So after this, we're gonna have a what do you call it? Remove background button, and once we click on this remove background, it will remove this background. Okay, so let me copy this code. Okay, so we're gonna follow this instruction. Like we're gonna copy this AI, this one, like AI background remove process, and download and share. So we're gonna tell that, let me copy this, and we're gonna tell that, bro, can you please implement this all the functionalities. And I think they're gonna be a share button. Oh, sorry, they're gonna be a remove background button below the image. Okay, so I think something like that we can come up. And bro, it's not looking that good. Can you make it modern and great UI and make the API call to remove the PG? Okay, and also we are getting some warnings from here, like media type option is deprecated and media type option is deprecated. So let's check it out. What is gonna chat GPT writing our code? Search chat GPT really works our work do. Like, so I'm pretty being feeling lazy, and I don't want to write the code, and that's why I'm using this all the things. So let's check it out how it's gonna be looks like for now. And we're gonna use one API and to remove the backgrounds. So that's how it's gonna be look like. All right. Okay, cool. Let's back to the topic again, and it's almost 8. And let me copy this code, paste it here, and we're gonna install one package called. Okay, it doesn't let us have code, so let me copy this code. Oh, failed to edit. So let me try. Let me click on regenerate. By the way, meanwhile, you guys, do you have guys any question, any suggestion for the next videos, anything? I'm thinking how to release a one course on Expo, like complete Expo course from the scratch. So, any thoughts on this, by the way, guys? Anyone having any questions, any suggestions on the chat? Would love to chit chat with you, to you guys. No one is active since like that. Any questions? Like, where you from, guys? By the way, where you from? Anyone? Okay, cool. Let's back to the topic. So, as you know that I'm building this AI background remover app, and I'm not gonna do a coding stuffs. So all the things is gonna done by the AIs, and I don't want to be like code for now today. So it's completely going to written by the chat gpt and the DeepSeek, or maybe Claude. We can also try give a shot to the Claude if you guys want it to be all right. So, and like we are able to do the front end stuff. Like I show you, this is the front end stuff, looks like this: AI background remover, and in the bottom we're gonna have a one button which will gonna make a one API call and replace this image with this remove background image. So to remove this remove busy, there's one package called npm I remove busy. So we can also use this package remove busy. So you can see armsly background removal. So let me click on this. So we're always looking to grade people amicably. If you're working with our background removal library, you might be a perfect apply now. Okay, so this is the career page. So they're telling that this is how you can you have to do preload.config download progress. Okay, cool. Is it free or paid one? I'm not sure. Let's click on this website's background remover plugin, loading editors, edit on stack base. Let's try. Like I think it's only on the front end side. Maybe it's using the browser CPU, something like that. But let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, view edition. Right. Okay. Meanwhile, any question on the chat? Do we have? Okay, let's check it out. Our chat GPT has it in the code or not? Let me copy this code. Let me paste it here again, and let me reload this. Upload image, choose remove background. So this is all the stuff which we had done so far, and we are using this fetch await remove.bz. So we're gonna use this remove bz, and we're gonna use our API key. So let's check it out. We want remove bz API call remove bz. So let's go to here, and we're gonna need an API for developers. So let me do remove bz. Okay, let's do go back, remove bz API key. So let's click on this, get API key, continue with Google. Okay, let me try if you can get something. So I'm just doing this, and let's see how can we are able to do it or not. So yeah, I agree. Send me updates, sign up. Okay, I was looking for API key, dude. What the hell they have dropped me? My accounts, API keys, new API key, create API key, copy this API key, and let me dump it here. All right, and let's try remove background. So, error create URL. Okay, so await response.plot set process image. So here what we are getting the data is console.log. Let's check it out. Response comma data. So I'm gonna just upload this image, click on choose, click on remove background. So we get the data dot, we are getting the blob, and this image like successfully get what do you call blob ID. We are getting the blob ID name and response dot blob. That's weird. Okay, but we are able to achieve this. So let me copy this error, and let's ask to them what they are telling. Save changes, and let's go back to the here ChatGPT, and let me paste that prompt. Paste this error. So this is the error which we are getting, that copy. and let me paste it here and let me hit enter, and let's check it out what they are telling. Meanwhile, let's check it out. Okay, we have 2%. So okay, so you can see that we are calling this remove background, but so now I'm gonna just try this, this stuff on my Postman to check it out. It's gonna really work or not. Okay, image URL is equal to selected image. And by the way, they want a image URL. They doesn't want a selected image. I'm pretty sure they want uploaded image. Okay, let's check it out. The documentation of this. Where is that documentation? AI remove busy. Where is that? API's documentation. Close features. Background removal. I want a documentation, dude. Developers remove background. Not this, dude. I want a documentation or call URL. So if I click on developers again, remove background. This is looking cool. Where is they have mentioned this docs? Remove BG docs. Remove BG docs. So good API key. We are done with this API key. Image file, and we are using Node.js. Form dot append image file. We are appending our blob. We are getting the response dot array buffer, and input path. Remove busy. Open as a blob. Buffer dot form. This dot write file. Okay, so let me copy this code to the chat GPT, and let's check it out if they can understand this code or not. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, so let me hit this one, and apart from that, you have any of your app on Play Store? If yes, tell me the name. Yeah, I have some apps on the Play Store, so let me show you my Play Store. uh yeah, so if you see, this is all of my apps on the App Store, and this is the Dream AI which I have built but doesn't release on the not this one. Okay, so if I show you some of my apps, so Fresh Story, view on Google Play, and this is my Play Store accounts in which you can check it out. So let me drop you on the chart. So this is all the my Play consoles. All right, let's wrap up this session quickly, and uh, cool. Okay, but yeah, like in general, if I tell you guys what you have to do next, like mostly, like I would say, like the chat GPT can like build in this kind of apps quickly, and we have to just add this API's key, and after that we are done. And it will, whenever you click on remove background, it will make the API call, and you are done. That's all you have to do. So this is how you can build a AI background remover app in just few hours with the help of AI. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the chat. I think that's all in this session, and yeah, I think we can catch up in the next sessions. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the chat or anywhere. So yeah, we'll catch up again. That's all for this weekend. Keep enjoying, keep learning, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.